All right, doing the final installation here. Everything looks pretty good. Everything fit as expected. Clamps are...
Install was actually super simple. I'm very impressed with that. No
The
problem.
only issue we had was how low the car sits. We really had to jack it up. I think
Yeah,
that was...
and it's hard to find a jack that's small enough to get under there. The race ramps are really handy. The stock V-band clamp, though, anybody that's doing this, I would recommend getting an aftermarket one, like a Vibrant or something. I think it's a 3-inch ID, so I would replace that one. It's a little bit shady. Other than that, I think everything's tight. We'll just do a test fit and then start her up.
We'll be good to go.
It's definitely louder under revs.
A lot more pops and crackles.
Yeah.